Good day everyone. Welcome to the breaking world news. Amber Heard's ex-boyfriend Elon Musk has made a public comment regarding the Aquaman star's high-profile defamation trial with her former husband Johnny Depp. On Friday, those in Virginia's Fairfax County Courthouse heard closing arguments from the legal teams for both stars, before the jury began their deliberations, which are set to resume again on Tuesday. The following day, billionaire Mr. Musk, who briefly dated Ms. Heard in 2017, took to Twitter to share his thoughts on the much-talked-about court case, where the Pirates of Caribbean actor, 58, is suing his ex-wife for alleged defamation over an op-ed she wrote in 2018. Replying to Lex Fridman, a research scientist and podcast host, on Twitter, Mr. Musk expressed his desire to see both parties involved move on, and described the two actors as incredible when at their best. The original tweet the SpaceX CEO replied to reads, "My takeaways from Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial. 1. Fame is one hell of a drug, for some. 2. Psychiatrists and lawyers come in drastically varying levels of skill. 3. Lying to millions of people is something humans are capable of. 4. Love can be messy. 5. Mega pint of wine." Mr. Musk responded with, "I hope they both move on. At their best, they are each incredible." The Tesla CEO, 50, and Ms. Heard, 36, enjoyed a brief romance back in 2017. The former couple reportedly first met back in 2013 on the set of the violent thriller Machete Kills, in which Ms. Heard starred as beauty pageant contestant Blanca Vasquez and Mr. Musk had a cameo as himself. The two remained friends after their stint as co-stars, and it wasn't until Ms. Heard's marriage with Mr. Depp came to a crashing end that the pair began to grow closer and began a romantic relationship. Mr. Musk's name has been mentioned throughout his ex's high-profile legal battle with her former husband, with Mr. Depp accusing the billionaire businessman of having an affair with Ms. Heard during their marriage, something vigorously denied by Ms. Heard and Mr. Musk. The court also heard how Mr. Musk donated $1 million to two charities in Ms. Heard's honor, while the two were an item in 2017. During her testimony earlier this month, Ms. Heard told the court how she promised to donate the entirety of her $7 million divorce settlement to charity, as she wasn't interested in her former husband's money. The actress recalled pledging $3.5 million to an LA Children's Hospital, where she had volunteered, in the same amount to the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, as she was a supporter. Ms. Heard went on to explain how it was agreed she would pay the donations in installments for tax reasons, but has been forced to pause payments due to her legal battles. Her lawyer asked whether anyone made donations to the charities on her behalf, to which Ms. Heard replied, "Yes, Elon, who was my boyfriend at the time, had his own charitable contributions that he made. He made $500,000 to both in my honor, in my name, in 2017. Mr. Depp, 58, is suing his Ms. Heard in the U.S. state of Virginia for alleged defamation over an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018, in which she stated she was a victim of domestic abuse but does not refer to anyone by name throughout the piece. The mum of one is counter-suing her ex-husband for $100 million, £81 million, after she claims Mr. Depp and his associates launched a smear campaign against her following their split. The jury is set to resume their deliberations on Tuesday, following closing arguments being heard on Friday, and a verdict is expected next week. All jurors involved in the case will have their identities sealed for a year, following a request from Ms. Heard to Judge Penny Askerit being signed off earlier this month. Thanks for watching Breaking World News, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to be informed.